New chain cogs, new adjusters, some new plastics, new front grip, or new front brake. Also new front brake. Air filters and plugs changed in both. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, the gearing on this one now, I got the cogs changed, so this one should be a lot faster than she used to be. Love the fall colors. It's cold out though.
It's so fun.
Yeah, pick up some takeout.
We should do that tonight, me and you.
That'd be cool too to bring in sometime if we're going for a run.
Long run.
We can go through the drive-thru on our bikes. Man, this bike is running so much better. So smooth. Okay, go. Let's go. This bike is a nice bit faster than she used to be though. I ordered a X-ring chain. We got little tiny I don't know what they are, little tiny rubber bushings goes in there to stop dirt from getting in your chain. Gonna see how that turns out. It wasn't much more money, and it's gold, and it's way heavier than the one that came on it. I actually had this unbreakable lever for my son's bike, and it didn't fit his brake perch. And when I tried to push it in, I broke the brake perch. So now it's on mine. For some reason it fit mine, but it didn't fit his. So now we got a full new brake perch and brake lever. I bought the full assembly. And the full assembly was actually cheaper than this unbreakable one. Now his is not unbreakable though. Just a regular looking one, but black. I bought another pit bike that I'll be making a video on soon when we get another nice day. Got a bit more power in this one. Same size, like double the power. I don't know how the gearing's going to affect trying to do a wheelie, because now she's geared more for speed, which is kind of what I wanted, because I couldn't really keep up with my son. He's lighter on the same bike. But I'm thinking about buying us a couple of electric bikes so we can go around town. She still pops up pretty good though. We've had a nice bit of rain, so I assume this grass is slippery. Oh yeah, she's still easy to haul up. Someday we're going to go try the new trail at Witless Bay. I heard that that's a really good trail now. chain's a bit loose, gonna need to be tightened again soon. Not bad though. It won't skip. Definitely won't skip. And I got a new tail light. These were universal signal lights for motorcycle, just LED strips. No, I got my speedometer on. Just do a speed run. Because I think she is faster, definitely. She just don't go right to the rev limiter like she used to. Yeah, the bike does 74 kilometers an hour, pretty much. If I had more distance, she definitely would have picked up to that. I don't know here, yeah, put it on trip 2. Put it in your pocket and go down the road and back. I'll say 60.
I said 60. 72!
And yours starts so much better when she's warm. First battery change of the day.
Dad, you gotta get a hold of the line.
There you go, buddy. It was, wasn't it? Man, when I overhauled my bike, there was some lot of mud and dirt in her. Ooh. From when we were up there that time and that mud.
Oh yeah, mud pit.
Yeah, when we were in that mud pit.
Pit of peat.
Yeah, peat pit.
Peat pit.
Oh, we're gonna be frozen on the way home.
Started.
That was a good snacky poo, though.
Imagine your engine blowing up on a day like this.
Look, she's cooled off. She starts up perfect. Make sure you does up your helmet.
I forgot to.
What?
Connecting a part.
Oh, you want me to clip it?
Yeah, yes please. Let's go straight home.
We are, man.
Whoa. Good view.
It is, though, isn't it?
Look, fireplace.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man, that's a nice fireplace, too. We should come in here for a fire sometime. That's a dandy little fireplace. Ready to go home?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just came up here because I figured it'd be a nice view.
Really.
It is, though, isn't it?
Look, see the one bird on up there.
Could you imagine having a cabin somewhere like right here with a little deck on the front of it?
Yeah, right there.
Yep.
Yeah, look, the yellow fire going in.
Oh, my bike is warmed up, look. She won't start. Thank goodness for kickstart too. Oh, tip your light up a little. I gotta get brackets for his front light too. It keeps spinning. Sun's gone down and the fog is rolling in. Super cold. Can't even see the town. Okay, ready?